Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be my bubble ponytail and bobby pin tutorial.
Don't touch my hair.
So first of all, we're going to start on blow dry hair, and I'm just going to start by parting the hair. Then I'm gonna add my Eco Styler all over my hair to actually slick down my hair. Once I've done that, I'm just gonna use my brush to slick down the hair and tie my hair. Once my hair is tied, I'm just gonna start combing a bit my ponytail, and I'm gonna start adding the elastics. And don't forget to pull on the hair in between the elastics to make it look like a bubble. Once you're done that, you're pretty much done. You can either leave it like this or add the details, bobby pins that I'm gonna add just now. So I'm gonna try to do something original, and I don't want to do like only straight. So I'm just gonna try to, on one side, do them straight, and on the other side do a little bit of a design with crossing the bobby pins. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video.